Hello, Twinkle Toes. Remember me? The fat hat won't have much use for you looking like that. Oh, I see you forgot to bring the sugar. How careless of you. Say hello to Pinchy. Okay, Twinkle Toes. I know about the buffers.
That's what I saw in my dream. It's coming true. My universe is starting to crumble.
And I know about the magic railway. And when I find that engine, you and all those puffballs will be history. Now tell me where the buffers are. Now! You got 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Too late, Diesel!
Yeah!
Did you put all this here for me? Well, you must have known that I was coming. How kind of you. Oh, I'm at the windmill. Now that's what I call a perfect landing. This must be the clue to unlock the source of the gold dust. Stoke up the magic in the mountain and the lady will smile. Then watch the swirls that spin so well. Well, where's the writing gone?
So boss, how come you let Twinkle Toes escape? Yeah.
Oh, that, well, I did it on purpose.
Oh, you did it on purpose.
You know, I was, testing him to see if he could escape.
Liar, pants on fire. Does he wear pants? Well, train pants, alright.
All right. Playtime's over, Splodge.
Ow.
Now it's time for the next lesson, huh? I call it How to Stop Being Stupid.
Boss, I wouldn't call you. Okay, yeah, that was pretty stupid.
Well, now that's gonna ruin my facial.
Oh.
Bet you can't climb that tree?
See?
Hi, I'm Patch.
I'm Lilly. Do you live around here?
Yes, my mom and dad run the stables.
Morning, Patch.
Good morning, Mr. Stone. I'm running into showing time. Can you come with me, if you'd like to?
I'd love to!
Sure. She can go. Be back by sunset, Lilly.
Do you want to come too?
No, I never go there now.
Bye, Grandpa.
So, have you rode on a horse before?
No.
I always want to go this way. We're following the straight lines and seeing on the map. They look like railroad tracks, but without any rails.
Well, lady, what are we to do? Things seem so much easier since Tasha and I were children. Choo 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 choo.
Junior?
Presto! I'd given up on seeing you again. What's blue, green, and red and goes beep beep?
A parrot. And you mean chirp chirp.
Not trains, talking trains. And I'm off to see them right now on the island of Sodor. And cousin, I overslept. and I'm in a bit of a hurry. Do you want to come?
Could we be back here by sunset?
I hope so. I want to get back to the beach.
What do you think, Mutt? Okay.
Good. It's this way. We'll take the shortcut.
Really?
There's 2 of us, oh well. That means I'll have to use Cuz's extra supply of gold dust. It doesn't matter, we'll have plenty more soon.
Can I take this little bit back for Grandpa?
Be my guest. I'll take care of it for you. Ready? Here it goes.
You've grown bigger.
Maybe you're smaller. I'm just adjusting properly to my new surroundings. This is the only place this ever happens to me. Whoa! A bit bouncy, isn't it?
Where are we?
Conductor's Railroad.
Magic Railroad?
Whatever. We're traveling miles and miles to the island. But I don't think this railroad's gonna last much longer. It'll vanish, like the engine.
What engine?
The engine that used to travel on this railroad. Cousin and I never saw it, and we don't know what happened to it. Hey, what's that doing there? You ready, Lilly? Here are the buffers. No!
Where are we?
The island of Sodor, of course. This way. Achoo! Oh, bogus.
What's the matter?
I think I'm allergic to grass. Achoo!
It's a good thing I like climbing things.
Grass.
What's that noise?
The trains, I told you they talk. We're just too far away to hear what they're saying.
Good morning! Vroom, vroom.
Annie, Clarabelle, there's Mr. Conductor. We found him! Oh, bunko, it's Junior.
Junior, look!
It's Thomas. Thomas. Now, don't look so surprised. I know you haven't seen me since...
You stuffed party poppers down my funnel.
Hey, we had a laugh.
You did.
You're talking to each other.
Ah, first prize. Lilly, Thomas. Thomas, Lilly. Now, where's my cousin?
Hi.
Hello, Lilly. Welcome to Sodor.
Come on, Lilly. I'm very at home on trains.
Annie, Clarabelle, I'll send Percy back to fetch you.
We've heard that one before.
What's the matter?
Traveling sickness.
What's that shining at the windmill?
Presto, Lilly. I think it's my cousin.
Mr. Conductor! Mr. Conductor!
Thomas!
Come on, Lilly. Hey, cuz. What's up? You enjoying the sun?
No, Junior, I am not. As a matter of fact, I just landed here after escaping a heavy metal monster. Junior, where have you been?
Is your sparkle back, Mr. Conductor?
No, Thomas, it isn't. But I do know the clue. Stoke up the magic in the mountain, and... Darn!
Dither!
Hey, cuz. You're looking terrible. Why don't we get more gold dust? 'Cause I used yours up. Then you can go back home, and I can go back to the beach.
Junior, I want you to listen to me, and I want you to listen to me very carefully. I'll get that.
I've got it. Hello?
Hello, are you Mr. Conductor?
No. This is his cousin.
Then why are you on the phone?
Who's this?
The name is Sir Topham Hatt.
Oh, hello, Hattie.
Are you making fun of me, young man?
No. He's hanging around here somewhere.
Yes, Sir Topham Hatt, sir.
Ah, Mr. Conductor, Why is this weirdo on the phone making fun of me?
No, he just wanted to be friendly.
So you think he acts like a dog?
No, he is not a dog.
Then what is he?
Let's just say he's a puppy in need of a good trainer.
Oh!
Nothing's wrong with my railway, is there?
No, nothing to worry about, sir.
Okay then, goodbye.
Goodbye, sir.
'Cause this is Lilly. She's staying with Grandpa Stone.
Hello, Lilly.
Hi.
Junior?
Whoa!
Junior?
Whoa!
Junior?
Junior, what are you doing up there? Come down! It's too windy!
This is just like the fun fair! Give us 2 seconds!
Well, 2 seconds is all it takes for you to land in trouble! Junior!
Aha! Twinkle Toes Jr.
Oh no, my beach bag!
You won't be doing any surfing up here, Mr. Kahuna.
Really? Watch me.
Hang on tight, Moon Doggy.
Yeehaw!
Diesel's hijacked him!
What's going to happen to Junior now?
Well, my family's usually pretty good at getting themselves out of trouble. Eventually.
I don't know what eventually means, but it sounds very, very long.
Where's Lilly?
I wish I knew. I'm sorry, Mr. Stone. She went to the station when I went back for her.
It's okay, Patch. We'll find her. Don't worry.
I am brave. I am brave. Thomas says I'm brave, so I'm brave. Oh, it's not easy being brave. Shiver my pistons! They're splattering Dodge! Oh, and they found the buffers! Oh, now what's going to happen?
Howdy, partner. Excuse me coming through, pardon me.
Oh, that's just nothing. Oh, that nothing was something.
These must be the buffers Diesel's looking for. Are we supposed to go through them? Oh, not we, you. Oh, not me, you. This is a job for the boss. We'll tell him tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow's good.
Oh, I better hurry back and warn Thomas.
I was doing my best to keep Lilly cheerful. I knew she was worried about being late for her grandpa.
Mr. Conductor, I was supposed to be back by sunset.
You know, Lilly, perhaps your grandpa can guess where you are.
He can?
Maybe, because I think he's been here himself long ago. And if he can't help, I do wish he'd hurry. I haven't told Junior this, but soon he'll grow as weak as I am.
Junior said there used to be an engine that traveled on the Magic Railroad. And if only we can find it, we'd be back to shining time.
Oh, that engine disappeared. Never to be seen or heard from again.
I have to tell you something, Mr. C. I heard a train whistle, and it sounded like it was coming from the mountain.
Mountain. I've just remembered another part of the clue. Stoke up the magic in the mountain and the lady will smile. But we need more information, Lilly. And I just know your grandpa could help. If he just believed that he could.
Lady?
She can whistle. I've heard her.
Yeah. So have I. It's because she's magic.
This missing the map of the Magic Railroad. The railroad's energy is fading away. It's instant we're running. Lilly and I are traveling on the ground above it.
The railroad needs a lady. And I don't know her special secret. And I need to know it now more than ever.
Because of Lilly?
Yes, because of Lilly.
So, Thomas, we must get Lilly back to her grandpa now in case Diesel gets rid of the railway.
But how can Lilly go without gold dust?
Only in the lost engine. Unless... Thomas, will you please take Lilly?
Through the buffers? But what if I go on the railway and my wheels don't work?
But what if they do?
But what if...
Yes?
What if it's dark?
It will be for a while.
And cold?
Maybe.
And how will I get back again?
Because you're a really useful engine and we'll find a way.
Then I'll try. I promise I'll get you home to your grandpa, Lilly.
Follow me, partner. Right this way to Bufferville. Just a walk in the park.
We're going through, Lilly.
You're on your own from here on in, little blue buckaroo. Yahoo!
Little engines can do big things. It is dark and cold and bumpy, but I'm not afraid. Oh, there's the missing coal truck.
Coal truck? Stroke up the magic in the mountain. That's a part of Mr. Conductor's clue to gold dust!
And Lilly, that's what you do with coal. Stoke it up to make steam. We're going to be really reliable and help Mr. Conductor. We're going back for that coal truck. Buffers? Coal truck? We're starting to solve the mysteries, Lilly.
You're a really useful engine, Thomas.
Lilly! Where are we?
Muffle Mountain, Thomas!
I think I feel a little dizzy. I can't go any further. My wheels won't let me.
Then I'll be back, Thomas. I promise. But I have to find Grandpa.
It's getting windy up here. Bust my boiler! I've left the coal truck behind.
Where's Grandpa? Can you take me to him?
Jump up!
Hutch, I knew I could count on you.
Stop, wheels, stop!
Grandpa!
Oh, Lilly. I'm so glad to see you.
There's this island of tugging trains, and they said you might have been there, but Mr. Conductor's very sick, and Junior's scared, and I had to leave poor Thomas behind, and I don't know what to do. Please help me!
I like to, Lilly, but nothing seems to work.
This is the lost engine from long ago. Now we can go back to the island and bring Mr. Conductor and Junior home.
I can't make her steam. I've tried all the different coals in the valley.
Lady? Is that her name?
Yes.
Cool! Special cool. From the island of Sodor. That's what Lady needs. Patch, there's a coal truck at the top of the mountain. Do you think you can get some?
Of course I will.
I'm sorry, Lilly. I'm sorry because I haven't been whatever it is. Responsible, reliable, really useful. I will be! I will be! James!
Ah! So you've lost your sparkle too, huh? Bye-bye, Twinkle Toes.
It's empty.
Here we go.
Julia, what are we gonna do?
We'll think of something.
That's it.
I'll find you some more, Lilly. I promise. But if I'm gonna be any help at all, it's now or never. I've got to use up the rest of this stuff.
Are you ready?
No, we're not.
James the Brains, get us out of here.
Now we are.
What the?
Yahoo!
Hurry up!
Bye, James.
Bye, Junior.
Phew. Sorry I've been so long, cuz. But better late than ever.
Junior, we're all out of gold dust, aren't we?
Bankrupt. Hey, it's a beautiful day. I mean, we're down, but we're not out.
No, we're out. But we're not down.